Here at Headlight Revolution, we have had a day filled with side-by-sides, ATVs, and even a lawnmower. And behind me, I've got a Can-Am Outlander. It's brand new, and we're gonna be outfitting it with some of the best lighting possible so that this guy can ride the trails at night. Follow me, I'll show you exactly how it's done. Now before I show you guys exactly how to get these things installed, I just want to tell you right up front, the bulb we chose for this particular vehicle is the GTR Lighting Ultra Series 2. It's one of the newest LED bulbs on the market. It has arguably the best warranty that money can buy, which is really nice on a machine like this. I know what you guys are doing with these things. I've seen you do it. I like to partake in it myself, and the last thing you want is an unreliable bulb in your side-by-side. These things have a lifetime warranty. They're super stout and they're insanely bright in this particular Can-Am headlight. To install it, you can crouch down. Now what's sweet about these headlights in particular is while you do have two different bulbs and you've got a low and high beam, they're both the same exact bulb, which is 9005. To disconnect the bulb, pull back on the tab and just pull it toward the base of the bulb like this. Twist the bulb counterclockwise and it's going to pop out just like that. Installing our new GTR lighting bulb is as simple as inserting it into that same base, turning it clockwise to lock it in place. Connect your bulb to your factory wiring, and GTR Lighting does supply zip ties, so you can zip tie this connector out of the way. Last thing you want is for it to get caught up in an axle or any suspension. With the wiring zip tied out of the way, go ahead and do the same thing for the other bulb and the other side. One thing I want to mention, a lot of people wonder, how well does a fan-based bulb do on a machine like this? And honestly, with this particular bulb and the cover that it has on the back, we really don't see too many issues with it at all. That cover keeps 90% of the debris out. And like I said earlier in the video, this is one of the best bulbs when it comes to the warranty. If you have any trouble with it at all in an application like this, GTR Lighting is going to take care of you with their lifetime warranty. If there is one thing we are very good at here at Headlight Revolution, it is off-road lighting. We've been doing side-by-sides all day. We're just about to take them out for a trail ride here at night and show you guys exactly how much better they are. If you've got anything else at home that needs lighting upgrades whatsoever, got another ATV, you got a dirt bike, motorcycle, whatever, we'd be happy to help you out. Reach out to us, check out the website, headlightrevolution.com. Click subscribe below. We'd love to see you around.